Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation in Google Slide. So let's get started. Here I have my Google application opened on my laptop, and after that, if we have opened the Google application, we can click on this button, then we can scroll down until we find Slide, and this is the Google Slide. So you just have to tap on it, and if you want to create new presentation, you can click on this plus button, and right after you click on the plus button, the new presentation will be created. Okay, and this is the presentation, guys. If you want to change the theme of your presentation, you just need to click on theme option right here, and you can select the theme that you like. For example, I'm going to select this one, and if you are still not satisfied with the theme, you can click on import theme right here, and you can import theme that you want. Okay, and we can edit this presentation. We can put title. So if you want to put title, you can click on this text box. So for example, I'm going to add presentation, and this is for the subtitle if you want to add subtitle on your presentation. Okay, and if you want to create a new slide, you just need to click on this plus button, then the new slide will be created, and you can edit the slide as you want. And if you want to put text box, you can click on this icon, and this is for inserting image. If you want to insert image, you just need to click on this icon. Okay, and if you want to add transition for your slide, you can click on transition right here, and you can select the transition. For example, I'm going to add fade transition, then choose the speed of the transition. You can choose slow, medium, or fast, and after that you can choose either you want to apply to all slide or choose for this slide. Okay, and after that, if we want to check our presentation, we can click on slideshow right here. So this is the presentation. Okay, and we can press ESC if we want to quit this slideshow. Okay guys, and that's how we can create a presentation in Google Slide. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.